Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As y'all can see, man, tell by the title. If y'all haven't read the title, I'm gonna tell you what it said. Obviously, you read it by now. But I'm gonna be sliding every turn in the hood with one hand. You know what I'm saying? Finna start something new, man. Again, not really saying a trendsetter, but in a way. But you know what I'm saying? Sparking it back up, man. Trying to go hit 10K, man. Starting to give y'all different kind of ideas or anything of that nature that just come off top of the dome with it that I ain't really seen too much on the tube, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get straight into it. I don't know, man. I might just go custom mode on y'all, cause I like sport, but I don't like the steering. So I'm just gonna change the steering. I mean the transmission of sport. I like track steering, you know what I'm saying? Cause it just be, the steering would be more, you know what I'm saying, well put together. Turn the traction all the way out. You know what I'm saying? So I can see traction is all the way off, you feel me? We finna get straight into it, Cari crew. So, without further ado, let's get it. But yeah, man, doing it with one hand. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this, man. I'm just trying to keep y'all entertained with the bangers. It's the first turn right here. Let's go ahead and try to get a little wicked. Olivia is crazy, cuz. That sport is so different every time, bro. And take y'all to the hood, man. Let's see, man, we in the hood with it. In the hood with it. Turn down now. I'm turning around. Oh, you can go right here. Oh my gosh, Cari crew, bro. Beautiful. There's people right there. I ain't even trying to come that way. I wasn't even trying to come that way. I know I should have went the other way. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Cari crew, y'all should have seen it that time, boy. You should have seen it that time. That bitch got sideways that time. Ooh, she got sideways that time. Oh, that's speed bump through here. I'm just gonna ride through the hood, man. Make a little noise. They got speed bumps up here. As y'all can see. Dang, I shouldn't have came through here. Oh. Boy, when traction ain't on, When traction all the way off, bro, I feel like the car is faster. It's just the fact that it can't catch traction, so you can't feel the G-force. But both of the wheels, it's like when traction control be on, it limits the car to an extent. You know what I'm saying? Car crew. Even if it's in track or sport, it's still like, I think track is like 20% traction control or 30 or something like that. And sport is like, you get like 50% or something like that, like half. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can't cut up every over here. I can get too much speed, but I wanted to take you out through the hood, man. You know what I'm saying? People outside, sitting on the porch. You got Grandma over there chilling, looking at Olivia, looking at the eye candy. She probably like, ooh, look at that boy right there. Cuz sitting in the truck looking like, what the hell? Oh. But car, I got wicked. Dang, I wish I had my head mount on. I could have put it on, but I want to do it with one hand. I want to just hold the camera so y'all can, so I ain't got no choice but to do it with one hand. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, ooh, finna go back. Go back in the hood the other way. I ain't mean to come your way. Oh my goodness. She just be spinning. You know people right there. Olivia, bro, these cars will get your heart pumping every time, bro. You can drive that car every day of the week. Oh my goodness. You can drive that car every day of the week. You can drive that car every day of the week, car crew, bro, and your heart's still gonna start pumping like if it was your first week of driving it. I ain't gonna say first time. You're used to the power, it's just the fact that it still gets your, you know what I'm saying, adrenaline pump. Oh, I thought the van coming that way. Oh. I couldn't turn it that time. I couldn't slide that time. All right, cool. But yeah, man, sliding every turn in the hood with one hand, man. You feel me? New little trend. I know somebody gonna jockey. It ain't really nothing. I ain't saying jockey, but you know what I'm saying. Somebody gonna set it off with me. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Just like y'all set it off the first one. You feel me? Oh, boy, that car went in front of me, boy. I would have kept going on that ass, boy. Boy, y'all look at that cars in front of me. Ooh, y'all look at that cars in front of me, boy. Olivia was finna do it. Olivia was finna do it. I'm telling you, she was finna do it. Oh, boy, y'all look at that cars in front of me, boy. Car girl, Olivia was finna do it. Cause she was spinning, but that bitch was catching. It was finna catch. And when I let it catch, that when the car was still in the way, y'all like, I'm just until I. Boy, Olivia finna do it, boy. I probably would have hit. Boy, I don't tell how fast I would have went. But that bitch, she was doing it, boy. That was a nice little pull right there. Let me get a little second gear pull. Got like a 40 roll. That's crazy. Look at the kids, man. Y'all just listen to Olivia scream. Boy, Olivia getting hot. I'm gonna turn that air off and let the wind just cool it off. That's one thing about these cars, but that's one thing they will forever. Well, all cars get hot, but you know what I'm saying? But it go back down quick though, like that mother going down now. Like once you start, like stop, you know what I'm saying? Whatever for a second. That mother dropped by 10 degrees. I think it's just because of right then. And it feel good outside too, you know what I'm saying? Car crew on this lovely day, man. But I know I ain't talking too much, which is not a problem, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all ain't come here to really just hear me talk, you know what I'm saying? Well, this ain't the type of video. I'm gonna give y'all my commentary, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna slide, dude. I wasn't even in the right gear yet. Do a pull for bro since he right here. He can't even hit me. That loud ass leaf blower. Let me give y'all one more turn, car. I ain't gonna do it right here. I don't like how that stream look. Oh, who brakes are those? They're definitely not on. Not right here either. Yeah, a little slide. Just a little bit, man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, that was the one. That was the one. Car crew, that was the one. That was the one, car crew. I don't need nothing else. I don't need nothing else. Thank you the hood. Thank you, hood. You know what I'm saying? I just needed y'all to participate in one of the greats, you know what I'm saying, videos, you feel me? But with that being said, by Olivia herself, you know what I'm saying, car crew, without further ado, man, we will be wrapping up this video right here. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. And again, sliding every turn I make with one hand. You feel me? Like another new thing, man. You know what I'm saying? I see everybody was tapping in with the sliding every turn. You know what I'm saying? Slide every turn with one hand. Y'all show me and tag me. Show me what y'all working with, man. I'm trying to see that little hand work. You feel me? But anyway, car crew, man. Like I said on the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone. Do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. I'm turning it on. The sky's the limit, you can touch it, man. Car crew, man, with that being said, man, that'll be a wrap for this video, man. Like I say, you know, at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.